All right. Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm here. I'm your host, Nathan Joshi, and I've been here to explain you about Premium Tribe, aka Entrepreneurs Marathon. Now you might be wondering, what the hell is Premium Tribe? What the hell Premium Tribe is all about? To be very precise, Premium Tribe is all about your benefit, your advantage, and to give a boost in your freelancing journey. So, okay, let's start with the presentation. Here is a sneak peek of Premium Tribe. Here you will get to know about what is Entrepreneurs Marathon. You will get an insider peek. You will get to know who can join this program. You will get to know why Premium Tribe is needed, and obviously resources and how you can access this program. So before I begin, let me talk about myself. Why I called myself as a lazy marketer, aka Nitin Joshi. Hi Nitin. So the thing is, I love being called lazy. I love sharing cool hacks that I always do in my group. I love curating creativity. I love digital marketing. I love staying unique. I love creating impact, and I love n number of things. But this is uh, beyond the scope of this slide to explain. Part one, I need therapy. So entrepreneurs marathon, I thought to keep it as a therapy. So what is entrepreneurs marathon? The entrepreneurs marathon is a 180 days live webinar series with full of execution and results so that you can achieve a level of mastery in 360-degree marketing solution. So my next question is, do you want $500? Yes or no? I believe you say yes. Then congratulations, you are at the right place. Feel free to come in the chat or DM me anywhere on social media. My social media handle is Hi Nitin everywhere. We will take it further more personally. And if your answer for this question is no, then congratulations. We will work hard to achieve your first not $500 but $1,000, and now you can say no to $1,000 if you want. Okay, so step two, insider peak. Entrepreneur Marathon is designed in such a comprehensive way that even a newbie can grab his first $500 freelancing client within 60 days of this program. So, what we are going to get here is we are going to um, get a sneak peek of freelancing journey. We will be getting a sneak peek of crazy outsourcing strategies, how you can handle an agency project. We will be taking on board international clients for you while you are being on this journey. So here are a few USPs for this program. This program is particularly divided into two sections. One is for 3 months and one is for 6 months. So for 3 months live learning training, there will be 90 days webinar session, and for 6 months there will be 180 days webinar session. So in this slide, I will be explaining you about 6 month live training session because 6 month is a good time to create impact. The second USP is we will be growing our LinkedIn account that will be mainly focused on building connections with you. USP number three, we will be building a professional SEO-proof Google presence. I am guaranteeing you that after 6 months, anyone is searching your name. For example, if you will search Hi Nitin on Google right now, or you will search lazy freelance digital marketer on Google, definitely you will get my name. USP 4, you will get a super in-depth knowledge on 360-degree marketing, which is very much important when we talk about digital marketing. We will be focusing on content creation strategies. We will be talking about affiliate marketing mantras with actual implementation, and here we will try to get our first $100 from this part only, like the $500 plus $100 additional. Tripwire marketing, this is one of the gold mine strategy, I believe, and this is one of the proven technique that works in long term and short term as well. We will be talking about performance marketing. This is going to be a talk show and with real execution, because performance marketing is going to be the future. Ultimate conversion optimization, again, this is the never ending future, because what is happening in current freelancing space is like there's a lot of noise in terms of freelancing. Most of the people are putting their foot as a freelancer, but they are not delivering a quality services. So in that case, conversion optimization will play an important role in the world of freelancing. Computer analysis, uh, I have given a short name here, like key entering your neighbor's house while they are sleeping. So in this way, we are going to analyze our competitor. Daily knowledge sharing of authority book. We will be covering two books within this 6-month live training program. Regular tracking of growth with resources. Without tracking of growth, you cannot grow. This is what I believe. Ebooks and cheat sheets will be available with proper email templates so that you can pitch a client. Again, SEO resources with backlink building formula, you will be getting enough of SEO resources that where you can start building your backlink. Social media analysis, this technique is used by Google itself. This is one of the most important technique in terms of social media analysis. Daily live sales pitching activity. We are going to do daily live sales pitching activity for the next 6 months. We will be creating instant presentation for clients in the live webinar itself. We will be building, this is the most important part. We will be building our own LMS system. LMS is nothing but learning management system. If you're planning to launch your course in future, then definitely this tribe is for you only. We will be giving a short 24/7 support of, this is obvious, this goes without saying. There will be weekly Q&As, and we'll make sure that the Q&As are not included in the 180 days webinar. So 180 days webinar plus weekly 2 Q&As. We will be building professional biolink. If you don't know what is professional biolink, then just go to Google and search freelance digital marketer. And our biolink is ranking on Google, and we are giving it for free. And if you want to create your biolink, then the form link is in the description box. You can fill the form and you will get in touch with me. Lead magnet creation. This lead magnet creation is not going to be general lead magnet creation. It is going to be a lead magnet. It is going to be a strategy where you can create your lead magnet within seconds. Obviously, there will be a priceless community support here. Okay, so this is the major USP of our entire program. We will be drilling down our first $500 or more valued client. It will all depend on your efforts and the kind of the amount of dedication you're putting. Okay, so are you the perfect fit? Now you might be thinking like, Nitin, you have already introduced us with the USPs and we are really liking that, but are you the perfect fit for it? I believe yes. Who can join this program? Any person with basic digital marketing knowledge can join this program. So if you think that you can you fit in that space, then definitely this program is for you. Anyone who is entrepreneur, student, learner, professional, working on a job, mentor, or anyone who is having just a basic knowledge on digital marketing, then can definitely join this program. Now, why Premium Tribe is needed? This is my personal belief that people shine different when they are in a tribe, as 20 people will focus on one single thing to make it successful. That is you and your personal brand. The another USP for this program is we are just taking 20 people only. More than 20 is not allowed. So definitely there will be a one-to-one interaction with each and every member. And another benefit for Premium Tribe is like you will be having a focused mindset. There will be a constant push for you to be the to get the client. There will be a positive pressure. Like you have to understand the difference between positive pressure and negative pressure. Like people don't grow under negative pressure, so we always need a positive pressure for that. Are you still confused? Like your vision is blur, I think, after seeing this slide. Okay, not sure what to do. Let's talk personally. Reach me at @highnitin.com. @highnitin is my social media handle. And also you can search this URL here so that you can get in touch with me. All right, so here's the bonus time. We ensuring the best return on your investment for your bespoke marketing requirements. So what before the actual bonus, what you will get to know, you will be informed on all the latest changes and updates in the online world prior to others. This is going to be one of the other USP. Discover industry updates, trends, releases, and exclusive deals that add value to your business. uh, Meanwhile, you will be exploring and consuming the informed informed changes and updates. Content is updated every day for our tribe to explore, learn, and adopt something new. Consume and know more than your competitors to outperform and outrank them. So get ahead. Access You will be getting access to $1,160 worth curated strategies and template. I mean, these strategies are working strategies. Also, you will be getting resources to increase your online presence and get expert assistance to your queries and problem for free. That is included in the bonus. So here's the bonus tips. Canva Pro for lifetime. If you are in my WhatsApp tribe, then definitely you got the lifetime access for Canva. If you're not, then comment on this video. I will get you in my WhatsApp tribe. You will get a Zoom meeting Pro version for 1 year, almost for 1 year. Uh, you will be getting email pitching templates. You will be getting email lists to test your campaigns, and there are more hidden secrets that I cannot tell on this video. Now, how to proceed further? So, there are a few steps that you have to follow. You just have to fill the form that is in the description box. After that, you will get a payment link in the mail, and after successful payment, you can join the tribe. That's it. So hope to see you in not my, but our tribe. And thank you so much. Before you leave, before you take the next success action, I want you to dance. So okay. So I'm just kidding. So hope to see you on the other side. And always remember, if you are ready to take action, then definitely you can change them. So this is all. This is the best thing that defines our premium tribe. Hope to see you on the other side. Thank you so much.